Hello friends and welcome to Tanushrie's Reading Room. Today I'll be discussing phrases which was a request from some of you, and it will be a continuation of the playlist English Grammar Part 1. Rather, it will be an update to the playlist English Grammar Part 1 because I had discussed it quite a few days ago. I think you have enjoyed my last playlist that was regarding writing tips and all, and after that I discussed some error corrections, though I got a good feedback from some of you, but still I want you to go through my basic grammar lessons, because until and unless your grammar is strong and perfect and you are confident, no matter how much you practice, how many exercises you do, practice papers you do, it is going to be a problem for you all, because only solving exercises and sitting with practice papers is really difficult if your grammar is still staggering. So phrases are incomplete sentences. They are a group of words. They form parts of a clause. They do not form a complete meaning. Let's see the examples. In the bag, in the drawer, has gone away, made him angry, took his car, forgot his name, did not like it, killed the mice, many years ago, not at all, meaningless conversation, anxious to know, eager to learn, crazy about that, without any space, hardly any time left, no need of cooking, ability to learn, no way could be found, thousands of ways, tremendous cold, extremely beautiful weather. So friends, I think you can very well see that each of the phrases, they do not make any complete sense, and if they are added to parts of another phrase, then only they will make up a complete sentence. So in our day-to-day life, we use these kinds of phrases very frequently, but it is important to note that unless we add some set of words with them, they remain incomplete and they do not form a sentence. So I think phrases seem to be absolutely easy to understand, but still if there are any problems, do share it with me through comments. I'm always there to help you, and I'll be glad to receive your suggestions and your recommendations. I need them badly because I want to improve my viewers' experience. I want my viewers to be absolutely happy and satisfied and contented, and for that I need your feedback, your comments, your suggestions, how I can improve my lessons, what more areas you want me to discuss, what would be better if I rather which areas would be better for discussion and all. So if you have really started practicing the lessons that I am uploading, I think they will be absolutely helpful to you, no matter whether you are a student, whether you are working, whether you are staying at home, whether you are an elderly friend of mine, whoever it is. In today's busy life, my lessons will be absolutely perfect for you because they invest a very less amount of time, and you will have to take out hardly a few minutes from your entire day to just get into the habit of going through these. And have you subscribed to Tanushrie's Reading Room? If not, do it today itself, so that you get the daily updates from my end. And nothing else for now. I'll be coming up with something new in the next chapter, and till then, take care of yourself, stay happy, and do share your feedback with me through comments, and please subscribe to Tanushrie's Reading Room. Bye bye.